And here it is. Here's the brand new Apple Watch lineup for 2025. We've got the brand new Apple Watch Series 11. We've got the brand new Apple Watch SE 3. And we've got the brand new Apple Watch Ultra 3. And in this video, I'll let you know all of the brand new features, all of the new finishes, all of the new bands that you probably weren't expecting. All right, so let me give you a proper hands-on with the brand new Apple Watch Series 11. So they both come in 45mm and 42mm options, so a small and a larger version. They obviously come with this beautiful stainless steel that comes in a bunch of colors, but my personal favorite is the gold link band with the gold Apple Watch casing. Or you've also got aluminum, and it still comes in this beautiful thin jet lag version as well. All right, so let's dive inside of the Apple Watch Series 11. And as you can see, we've got a brand new complication on our watch face, and that is the sleep app. If we tap on the sleep app, it will give us a brand new sleep score on the Apple Watch. In terms of right now, September 8th to September 9th, it will give us an excellent score. As you can see, a 99. If we tap on that, it will give us some more information on our duration. It was 49 out of 50. And it will rank us, we slept 7 hours and 42 minutes. Bedtime, 3 minutes earlier than average. How many interruptions did we get? 2 wake-ups, 12 minutes total. So it will give us basically a quick overview on our sleep. I personally love this feature because I always use the sleep tracking app, but it was always hard to know if the sleep that I got was actually correct or incorrect. How could I improve on it? So I feel like the sleep score is kind of like what the activity rings did to the Apple Watch. It's just a very visual score on what our sleep stage is and everything. Before, we previously just got this, which was a very extensive and kind of overwhelming overview of all the information that you have. It's now just super simple. You just raise up your wrist in the morning and you'll see an excellent score or a very crappy score if you didn't sleep well. I absolutely love the brand new Apple Watch feature, sleep score. Now, something else that the Apple Watch Series 11 has is actually concerning the glass, because it's now got way improved scratch resistance with a brand new INX ceramic coated glass, which will obviously prevent and will be way much more durable against scratches and also drops. The experience that you're overall going to have looks very, very much the same as the Apple Watch Ultra glass, which is extremely, extremely strong. Also, the Apple Watch Series 11 has a phenomenal battery life, which can actually get up to 24 hours of battery life, which is a very big deal for us as Apple Watch users. We've always wanted longer battery life on the Apple Watch. We had fast charging last year that brought really, really fast charging before going to bed, for example, but we now get 24 hours, which means that we can spend the whole day on our Apple Watch, plus even do sleep tracking directly on our Apple Watch. We also get a bunch of new watch faces on the Apple Watch. Let me show you all of them. So if you go to the new section on the Apple Watch Series 11, you can now get new watch faces. And this is the brand new Flow watch face, which, as you can see, it's very liquid glass inspired. Let's go ahead and add that into our Apple Watch. And it is very glassy. It's very colorful as well. Let's see the customization that it actually gives us. Oh, that's cool. So you can have very abstract numbers, or you can have these more easily readable numbers right here. Let's tap on edit again and see all the customization that you can add. You can decide whether you want a background or not. And obviously all of the crazy amounts of color combinations that you can add to this watch face. It honestly never, ever ends. Look at that turmeric. That actually looks very, very cool. You've also got a brand new watch face called the Exactograph watch face. Now, this one's actually very unique because if you keep tapping on it, the numbers and the seconds will actually expand on your display, which gives you this very, very cool effect. The customization that you've got over here, you've got a closed, you've got an open, or you've got an open too. Or maybe you want all of them as well, and you can just keep tapping on them to customize, and obviously all of the different color variation. For example, I've got this blue band. I can customize my watch face to my band of choice. All right, and here's also your first look on the Apple Watch Ultra 3 now. So sadly, we didn't get a smaller version as a lot of us were expecting. You still get that massive 49mm titanium casing that comes both in black and in silver, as we were used to. There's obviously tons of new bands, but let's talk about the exciting stuff. We now get up to 42 hours of battery life on the Apple Watch Ultra, which is a very big deal. And plus, I can't imagine if you actually add low power mode on the Apple Watch, how crazy that battery life is going to be like. A lot of people, especially Apple Watch Ultra users, we're really expecting a longer battery life, because if someone does a triathlon, for example, that is spending days outside, I feel like this new battery life improvements will truly be a very big deal for them. So there's a couple new watch faces on the Apple Watch Ultra. This is the brand new Waypoint watch face, which is absolutely incredible. As you can see, you've got a little compass right here that will literally tell you how you're doing. And then you can add a target. If you want to just add wherever you are, you can do it directly from the watch face itself. You can also customize it in a bunch of different ways. For example, the pulley filter, what do you want to add to that? You can tap on that, and there's a bunch of customization to be had here. For example, do you want map suggestions? Do you want beach suggestions? Do you want pinned on map suggestions, or do you simply want waypoints? You can add all of that inside of here, which is amazing. You can also have the different dial style. So if you want it on the left, or do you want the activity rings on the right, you can also activate night mode on and off, and obviously all of the different color variations. And then last but definitely not least is obviously the complication. Another very big deal on the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is that you've now got satellite connectivity. So just imagine you're in the middle of the woods and you're asking for some help. You could try on this demo, for example, that Apple has for us. And boom, you can try to get a clear view of the sky, and you simply point the Apple Watch to the sky and you should be getting satellite connectivity, which is amazing. Apple Watch Ultra 3 also allows you to send your location using satellite connectivity, and also obviously contact emergency SOS. If the Apple Watch already saved tons of lives, features like this will even make that taking to a next level. The amount of times that I'm sure people have gone out hiking, their battery life ran out, and they're stuck in the middle of the woods, for example. I just can't wait to see this feature being used. I mean, I hope people don't use this, but I can't wait to see all the stories on how the Apple Watch, on how this satellite connectivity feature truly did save a lot for a lot of people. Now, something that I'm personally very happy about the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is that we finally get fast charging on the Ultra. The Apple Watch Series 10 brought fast charging for the first time ever on an Apple Watch, and it's truly changed the way that I use my Apple Watch. Because just by getting a quick shower, for example, you can pretty much get your Apple Watch to charge from 0 to 100 very quickly. And this finally coming to the Ultra is a very, very big deal. And last but definitely not least is the brand new Apple Watch SE3, which in my opinion, this thing is going to sell like crazy because it's got most of essential Apple Watch features at such a reduced price tag. We first off have the always on display for the first time ever on the Apple Watch. So if you're working, you can quickly glance at the time and still don't need to do the race feature. You'll always have the time accessible for you. For the first time ever on the Apple Watch SE, you can also play music or podcast directly from the speakers without needing AirPods. You've got the S10 chip, which is so much faster. You've also got features like double tap, for example, which can literally control your Apple Watch by simply double tapping on your fingers. You've also got wrist flick, which is such a useful feature. So if you've literally got notification, for example, you can literally just wrist flick and it will jump over to your watch face, for example. You've also got sleep score, wrist temperature. Very, very impressed with the Apple Watch SE3. All right, so Apple over here has the entire or almost the entire Apple Watch band lineup, and there's a lot of really exciting colors. For example, the brand new Ocean band coming in these exciting, very colorful colors, which obviously in the ocean, you want these bands to be really, really colorful. We've got a brand new bands from Hermes with actually new watch faces as well for it. The Sport Loop and the Braided Loop actually comes also in very lemony, very orangey colors like this one. I feel like this gold stainless steel paired with this orange, I don't know the exact name of it, but this orangey braided loop looks incredible. Obviously a bunch of new colors and bands for the Nike watch face and this gorgeous braided loop. There's a lot of really, really cool and very exciting bands for the Apple Watch. So that is the Apple Watch SE3, the Ultra 3, and the brand new Apple Watch Series 11 here directly from Apple Park. If you want to keep watching and learn what's new with the iPhone 17 Pro or the iPhone Air, you can tap on these videos right here, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.